Hey guys, so today we're going to be unboxing Trick or Treat Steelbook. This was a FYE exclusive, and at the time when I bought it, 2018, it was $29.99. I've actually never seen this movie, but I've heard a lot of good things about it. So yeah, let's go ahead and start opening it. I don't think that this comes with the digital download. Here's the back. If you guys want to pause it and check out the special features that comes with it. During this time, I think there was another version that came out. I think it was a Scream or Shout Factory edition, but that wasn't a steelbook, and I like steelbooks, so I went with the steelbooks. And this is a matte finish, so it's not glossy. Here's the back of it. That's really nice. Then we have the spine. And here's the inside of the steelbook. Seems like there's only artwork on one side. You can't really see anything over here. There's the full steelbook. And then here's the disc, which I think is just a regular Blu-ray disc. Alright guys, so thanks for watching.